Hey everybody, welcome back to One to Step. I hope you all are doing great. So in today's episode, I'm gonna guide you on how you can delete your Telegram account. So it's quite easy and simple to do that. Go ahead and open your Telegram application on your mobile phone. Now here you can see the user face will appear like this. You can see the settings option on the bottom right corner. Go ahead and tap on it. Now if you scroll, you can see privacy and security here. Go ahead and tap on it. So here if you scroll down, you can see if away for 6 months automatically delete my account. It means that if I don't use my Telegram account for 6 months, the Telegram account will automatically delete my Telegram account. So here what you can do is change the settings to 1 month, 3 months, 6 months or 1 year, or you can also change it to delete account now. So if you want to delete your account now, you can just tap on delete account now, and once you tap on it, you will be successfully deleting your Telegram account and you are good to go. If you found the video to be helpful and informative, go ahead and subscribe to our channel and also press the notification bell for more updates.